Hello everyone. Using landing page to guide report viewer to the right starting point, design any page in your Power BI report as a landing page to ensure the report viewer always start on the right page. In this video, we will see how to set up landing page for Power BI report. Now let me switch to the computer for the demo. So as you can see, this Power BI report has a 4 pages: summary page, sales page, order page, and monthly trend. Okay. So earlier, when we want to set any landing page, we have to, for example, if I want to set a landing page as a sales, I have to select this page, save the Power BI report, and publish this report in Power BI service. So whenever user will open the report, he will see the sales page as a landing page. In case by mistake, for example, if you select this page and save the Power BI report and publish it, so whenever user will open this report, he will see order page instead of sales page. So in May 2026 Power BI update, now Power BI desktop has a provision or features to set any page as a landing page. So now let me show you. So for example, I want to set this summary page as a landing page. So I will select this page and right click here, and you can see set as landing page. So when I will select this, you can see the summary page has a small home icon. So you have to save and publish it. So whenever user will open this report, he will see the summary page as a landing page, any page. And if you don't want the summary page as a landing page, just right click, remove this, and for example, now let me select monthly as a landing page. I'll right click here and I will set as a landing page. So now the monthly page is my landing page. That's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.